Okay, so here is the best way on how you can connect Bluetooth speaker to your smart TV. So here, as you can see, I'm on the menu right now, and what you have to do in the menu is just go to the gear icon or just press on menu on your remote. So once you press on it, it will bring you these settings. So right over here, you will see sound setting as well. So if you go to the sound setting, it will show you internal TV speaker, which says that currently you're using TV speaker. So you just need to tap or press on it by your remote, and it will open up some more options, and it will give you options like that. But you just have to go around and look for the option for sound out, and here it will say Bluetooth, and you'll obviously see the option of device selection as well. So you just need to press on the down button on your remote and go to device selection. Right over here, as you can see, it turned red. So you just simply need to press on device selection. Once you do that, so it will just scan the Bluetooth devices that are around your TV. So for me, it's RB110. So I'm just gonna simply press on it, and it's just gonna connect. And yeah, this is as simple as it gets. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you soon.